Welcome back to another video, and it is another Everything Gotta Go giveaway, and this video is going to be the Velocis 9115. I've been going in order for the giveaways as I reviewed them in the past. Now I skipped a few to get to this one. I skipped this one. The reason why I'm not giving this away is I can't figure out the problem. I thought it was a battery issue. I replaced the battery. The battery is showing full, and when I try and take off, it barely wants to lift up off the table. So I thought maybe it was a motor issue. So I actually replaced the motors as well, and it still does not want to take off. So I have no idea. So I'm not going to give it away. Then there's this one, the Vector 28. I had an issue with this one where the ESC would keep cutting out. I'd be out in the middle of the water and it would just shut off on me. And then I'd have to try and get it to bind. It actually got stranded out in the middle, and then the wind kept taking it further away. And I made a video of that. I'll put that video up there. I had to rescue it with my Mavic Pro, and that's how I got this one back. I don't want to give this away because it's a problem and it's a boat, so I'm not going to give this one away as well. I thought about maybe doing some kind of like brushless upgrade with it. Kind of disappointed that I can't give this away. I love giving boats away. People like getting boats, but let's check this one out. There it is, little 1/32 scale, and I know the battery's gonna be dead. I just know it. All of them have been so far. These LiPos don't survive the years of storage. So I'm sure I'm gonna be ripping this apart and soldering in a new battery. So here it is. Here's the controller. You'll also get a USB charger, and then the instruction manual. This is not a review. I'm just checking to make sure this works. If it doesn't, I'm gonna try and make it work. And if I can, I'll put it in the giveaway. So first thing we gotta do is just try charging it. So I have it plugged in. We'll give it a few minutes, see if it charges. So it showed fully charged on the charger. So let's see if it works. There we go, non-proportional steering, but it does have proportional throttle. Oh, it still works. If I remember with this, reverse did go faster than forward. So that's good. I'm glad that this works. But I'm gonna do one more thing with this. I just wanted to make sure that it still works, but I am gonna change the battery out so there is a fresh battery in this for whoever wins it. So here is the battery, and it is a 3.7 volt, 120 milliamp hour battery. Now the one I'm gonna put in has a little bit more milliamp hours. It's gonna be a 220, which is good because you'll get a longer runtime out of it. Okay, new battery's in, tested it out, it runs. And now we can officially say this is in for the Everything Gotta Go giveaway. This will be giveaway number 6. So to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is comment down below, and that is your entry. You just have to be a subscriber from the US, and I'll leave the rules and how the giveaway works down below in the description. So take a look at that. And then I'm gonna do a live drawing on March 18th where I pick the winner to the Everything Gotta Go giveaway number 6, this. And I also have this one in right now. This is number 5. So find this video, the EGG number 5 video, and get yourself entered if you want a chance to win this JJRC H36 also. But I have more RCs coming for the Everything Gotta Go giveaway before that March 18th date. So be on the lookout for more videos coming. But that'll do it for this video. Click that subscribe button because you gotta be a subscriber to win. And I can't wait to see who wins this ready to run RC.